Portable Restroom Trailers has provided the largest selection of USA-made portable restroom and shower trailers for both sales and rentals for over 15 years. We are the experts and voted #1 in the portable restroom shower trailers industry. You need a trustworthy company that you can depend on 100% of the time. Portable Restroom Trailers has assisted thousands of companies with 5-star verified support. We help you maximize your investment and ensure your trailer will last. The ADA Plus 2 Restroom Shower Combo Trailer includes beach tone interior, insulated walls and ceiling, and one-piece aluminum seamless roof with smooth siding. The ADA Accessible Suite and Standard Restroom Suites are climate controlled, so it can keep your guests warm or cool depending on the season. The unit features a hydraulic lift system that allows the entire trailer to lower to the ground with the push of a button. Portable Restroom Trailers has assisted thousands of companies with 5-star verified support. And if you're looking for an affordable restroom shower combo trailer, the ADA Plus 2 Station Beach Series is for you. You deserve to have all the information and resources you need before you make a decision. We provide video tutorials, manuals, a buyback policy, special financing, and one-on-one support. And we offer multiple choices at different price points to buy and rent, so we can guide you to the best solution. Getting started is easy. First, request a quote. Then we'll have a meaningful conversation and find the right trailer for your needs. Click the button below to request a quote or call us today. Top quality, transparent pricing, trusted support. Portable Restroom Trailers.